Hello everyone! In this video, I will walk you through the AI Request Agent feature in DreamzCMMS, which makes it easy to report issues and manage requests through a smart conversational interface. I will be demonstrating this feature from both the web and the mobile applications, so you can see how it works seamlessly across platforms. Here's what I will cover, starting a chat with the AI Request Agent, creating both generic and asset-specific requests, converting a request to a work order from the DreamzCMMS portal, checking the request status, adding notes, viewing the conversion data, and accessing the chat history. Let's get started. First, I will start a chat from the web portal. To start a new chat, you simply need to click on the blue icon and then click on CMMS Request AI Agent. This will take you to a new screen. On this screen, you first need to provide a title for the conversation. I am entering a demo title here. Next, click Go to Add New. Now your chat thread has started. You have the option to type in your issue or use voice input by clicking the voice icon. For this demonstration, I am typing, "My laptop is not working." The agent will ask whether the request should be created as a generic or an asset-specific one. For this first demonstration, I'll choose generic. It will respond with unable to get location. Please select a location from the list below. I am selecting the appropriate location. Then it prompts me to review the provided details. If everything looks correct, type yes. If not, you can make the necessary changes. Since the information is correct, I'm typing yes. The system now asks if I want to attach a photo with my complaint. You can choose either yes or no. Since I'm using the web portal, I'll click yes and select a file to upload. Now the complaint has been lodged and I have received a case ID. To show you the request, I'll go to the dashboard. Then click on Incident, then Request, where I can see that request ID 6920 has been generated. To view the request, simply click on the preview icon, which takes you to the request details screen. From here, I can create a work order. I won't provide any further information right now. I'll just select the responsible person and click Save. Going back to the incident list, you can now see that the status is in progress. Now I want to check the status of this request. To do that, just type in a message. The agent will ask for the request code. After entering the code, it will show you the current status. If you want to add a note, simply type it in the chat. The agent will ask for the case number again. I'm adding the note and the request updates successfully. When I go back to the same incident and check the notes section, I can see that the note has been added. So this is how you can create a generic request using the conversational AI agent. You can check the status, add notes, and review the incident all through the same interface. Now, let me demonstrate how to create an asset-specific request. To start a new conversation, click on New Chat. It will ask you to provide a title. This time I'll enter Chat for Demo, 3rd May, Asset. In this instance, I will create an asset-specific request. I type in the problem, and the agent asks again whether it's generic or asset-specific. I select asset-specific. It asks me to review the provided details. Since everything is correct, I type yes. It then asks whether I would like to scan a QR code for the asset ID or submit it manually. For this demonstration, I'll scan a QR code. I've already downloaded the QR code for this demo laptop to my PC. So I choose the option to scan an image file. I upload the image, and the system automatically scans the asset code. It then asks if I want to attach a photo. I say yes, select a file, and the request is created. To verify, I go to the Incident greater than Request section, where I see the laptop overheating issue listed. Clicking on the request details, I see the description: laptop overheating, restarting multiple times. All the information I entered in the chat is now visible here. This is how you can add incidents via the web application, either generic or asset-specific. If you want to view the conversation thread, there's an option on the left side. Click it to access your previous chat and continue typing if needed. The AI agent supports both voice and text input, so you can interact with it using either method. Now let me switch to the mobile application and show you how the process works there. I have already logged into the app as a technician. To access the AI agent, go to the navigation menu and select AI Help. Once there, click on CMMS Request AI Agent. The process is the same. Enter the conversation title and then click Add New. Again, you can type your message or use voice input. I type my issue and the agent asks if it's generic or asset specific. I choose asset specific. It asks me to confirm whether the information is correct. I respond, yes. Then it asks me to scan the QR code. I proceed to scan it. Once scanned, it prompts me to attach a photo. I say yes. It gives me the option to either take a new photo or select one from the gallery. For now, I capture a new image. My complaint is now logged. I go back to the incident request list, refresh the page, and I can see that request ID 58,379 has been created. So whether you use the web or a mobile application, you can easily create incidents using the AI request agent. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please let us know. Thank you for watching the video.